Yeah, but it's just waterproof. I can't believe it's full waterproof.
Does it have like an enclosed
yeah, it's
case?
Like little seals there. No, it's like a regular camera. It says water 1.5 meters.
Wow.
I don't know if I put it underwater.
Yeah. Well, you never really need to do that anyway. If you were going scuba diving or something.
I guess if you're on a boat or something. Oh, can they get you there to the store?
Yeah.
I know, right?
We would love that.
Oh,
If we had our own backyard, we would. Well, will you guys find
we can fire here?
Here on our street?
No, Laura, you can fire with those.
I don't think we can have one here, Ma. It's not our property right here.
Yeah, right here. I make small parties. I found a nice one later. I think for $80 it's like a copper bowl.
I know you. They're really nice.
Laura, I have a lot of cherry wood.
I have unlimited wood for you.
I cleaned out the whole fire. You get it?
Oh, the skids from the bathtubs. I cut them up in pieces. Got a lot of limited.
Oh, really? You don't reuse them?
No, I
can't. Well, what do other people do with them?
They ditch them. They're all in the back of shops all over the place.
Well, what happens to them?
Plywood. Turn around the back of their house.
That's perfect then. At the back of
That's no prize getting that tank out. It's a shame. Well, you know what you do with the tires? You got training? Yeah. And they give you a nice painted one.
Yeah, pretty much from there to there, to the front.
Change your one.
Yeah. Are you filming yourself? She's filming.
Smile, Papa. You freaked me out.
I want to make sure I get all the gas. Or the gas. What the hell am I talking about? The glass. The glass.
Okay.
All right.
Nice.
I couldn't believe everyone was very friendly.
They talk about us.
Yes, they talked about you.
Of course they did.
It thinks about them.
They're talking about it now. You know, when they put all the other them to us,
No, Laura, no, allora, you gotta come.
nobody there.
She don't forget Laura, allora.
Nobody has
Stand up and be proud. And free stuff on 925jacketfair.com.
It's just not what you're
She doesn't have it.
Yeah. Yeah.